Your CI pipeline rebuilds everything from scratch every single run. There is a better way. Docker images are built from stacked layers. Each instruction in your Dockerfile, from, run, copy, creates a new layer on top of the previous one. Docker computes a content hash for each layer, and that hash is the key to everything. When Docker builds an image, it checks each layer's hash. Unchanged layer. Skip it. Reuse the cached result. But the moment any layer changes, Docker invalidates it and every layer after it. Change your source code and only the copy and subsequent layers get rebuilt. Your installed dependencies pulled from cache stay untouched. Instruction order is critical. Put stable, slow steps first. Base image, system packages, then dependency installation. Put your source copy last. That way, any file change only busts the final layer. Flip the order and every commit rebuilds your entire dependency tree from scratch. CI adds a critical challenge. Each pipeline run starts fresh with 0 local cache. You need to persist it externally. The standard approach is registry-based caching. Use --cache from to pull a previous build image from the registry. BuildKit inline cache and CI native cache mounts are solid alternatives. Result: 5-minute builds drop to 30 seconds. Docker layer caching. Stable steps first, volatile last, cache persisted in CI. Master this, and every build is fast. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.